The world's leading companies are racing toward digital transformation. From the digital boardroom to the factory floor around the globe, SAP can help your digitalization journey to run simple, powered by S/4HANA. Whether on-premise or in the cloud, automated delivery and governance of applications and infrastructure is a key step towards digitalization. In partnership with Cisco and Vnomic, a member of the SAP Startup Focus program, SAP is leveraging Cisco ACI and UCS to automate the deployment of S/4HANA. Zero-touch, policy-driven delivery and governance of S/4HANA combines the simplicity of an appliance with the flexibility of a manual deployment, reducing cost, risk, and time to value. We'll use the Vnomic console to show just how this works. Start by selecting S/4HANA from the service catalog of zero-touch application models. The deployment model, including application components, their dependencies, lifecycle, and infrastructure requirements, is computed using a Tosca topology with Vnomic extensions. The service topology shows the main software components. A set of disjoint logical networks is derived from the topology to provide minimum privilege application connectivity. The application storage design is also derived from the application model. With a single click, we deploy S/4HANA. A wizard asks a few questions: production or non-production? How much memory for HANA? High availability? And lets us set some other parameters. The Vnomic orchestrator translates these answers into requirements and policies which must be satisfied. Next, we pick the target infrastructure we want to deploy onto. Vnomic only displays infrastructure choices that match the application requirements. Perhaps a FlexPod with NetApp storage, or a vBlock with EMC storage. Click Finish, and the automated S/4HANA deployment starts. The Vnomic orchestrator has generated a custom-fit deployment plan for this application landscape and this infrastructure target. The deployment plan is like an ideal script with no if statements. All decisions are calculated in advance by the orchestrator before deployment begins. Step by step, it provisions the compute, networking, and storage resources needed. With Cisco application-centric infrastructure, we can program the networking configuration from the application's point of view. Using a policy-driven approach, Vnomic asks ACI to create endpoint groups for each logical network in the application model. With a similar policy-driven approach, it asks Cisco UCS Manager to create service profiles for bare metal servers for production HANA, and asks VMware vCenter to create virtual machines. To configure storage, the orchestrator calls Storage Platform APIs. Next, the orchestrator installs all the software from scratch, a factory-fresh deployment, meeting all performance, security, and governance policies. It uses SAP-approved tools, including HANA Lifecycle Manager and SAP Software Provisioning Manager, exactly as a human system administrator would, if the human administrator worked without pause and without errors. The process takes a few hours, depending mainly on the amount of data to be copied. Now the deployment is done, all servers installed and connected correctly. The new instance of S/4HANA is ready for business with a simple-to-use Fiori user interface. S/4HANA helps your business run simple. Cisco ACI and UCS, with SAP expertise encoded using Vnomic orchestration, helps your IT run simple. Together, the combination is unprecedented.